I'm Megan Del Rosso. I am part of the criminal justice program. I am currently looking to go to the academy for Prince William County Police Department in Virginia. I stepped on campus and I was like, I want to go here. Like this is home to me. And I don't think I've ever thought differently. And the professors kind of just add that little homey feeling. It's almost like they're our parents, but not like in a weird way. You call them and you email them and they will respond to you. Like I know I could email Professor Jones at 3 a.m. and I know I'm going to get a response. It just feels nice to know that you're not just a number to these professors, you're part of their family, and you're like, they know you, they know who you are, where you're from, what you want to do with your life, and they're going to make sure that you get from point A to point B and further after that. If I was talking to a student that was like wanting to come here for a criminal justice, just do it. Like honestly, I think I was so afraid of messing up and failing and feeling like a failure because I didn't know what I wanted to do outside of college, because college just feels safe and secure. Like I'm a student, I have no worries. But you get to your junior, senior year and you're like, oh my God. Like I was like, I have to choose what I want to do. But you really don't. Your faculty helps mold you a little bit into a really good human being. Like I think we were taught more about who we are as human beings in this program. Nobody here is going to let you fail, whether it's your faculty, your like other students. We're all here to support each other, but it's the fact of knowing that I still have support from all my professors after I graduate. Just come to do this program because honestly, we are one of the best programs I've heard of.
I'm Malik. I'm a CJ major. Currently, I'm in kind of the first stages of the DEA process. So I did a lot of hands-on stuff in our classrooms, and we got to hear from career experts overall. Like it wasn't just like somebody who got a degree in something. These are guys that spent 20 years in the field. Like we have ex-federal agents who come in who are retired. We have people like Professor Jones who are retired police officers. And usually if somebody's teaching a class, it's something that they've had an expertise in. And I just think that's very unique. I've seen a few other colleges, CJ's programs, and they don't quite offer.
My name is Raymond in the criminal justice program, looking to go to grad school, and after I'm looking to pursue a career in a crime analysis. I think the program is great because like the professors are wanting to set you up for success. They're not just like teaching you, they're also like going to be helping you along the hiring process, and even like of offering like guidance like to those like alumni that I know that are still in contact with their professors as they're guiding them through their career, giving them like opportunities and such.
I'm Cam Hebert. I'm a CJ major here. I was someone who bounced around a lot during high school. I went to 4 different high schools for athletic reasons. I never really felt like my teachers, for the most part, would really want to go the extra mile for me, but that has never been the case here at NEC. As soon as I got into intro with Professor Tim Jones, I've had an absolute incredible relationship with him, Professor Hubbard, Professor Frank Jones. Whenever I needed anything, they were always there. I know those guys would lay out for me whenever I needed it. And it sort of motivated me to do better in my classes. If they're going to go to bat for me, I want to go to bat for them. And it always felt like a two-way street. But those 3 in particular created a very positive learning environment and have made me love the career field even more. You know, CJ was something I picked because, it's a really respectable thing to do, and I think it's important, and I think more people need to get into it. And when you have guys like that who are teaching you, it's hard to picture me doing anything else here. Federal, local, corrections, everyone is hurting for people. So it's a great time to break into the business. No matter what you want to do in it, you can find work anywhere. If you want to pursue something that takes you sort of outside of New Hampshire and out of New England, there's job opportunities literally everywhere. So if you want to get out and see the whole country, you'll find a job no matter where you want to land.